If you want to remove Incognito Mode in Chrome permanently, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the exact method to disable Incognito Mode on Windows using Command Prompt, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along step by step. This is especially useful if you want to limit private browsing on a shared computer, a work device, or a family PC. And before we get started, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the Start menu on your Windows computer. In the search bar, type CMD. You should see Command Prompt appear in the results. Now right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This is very important because the command we are about to use needs administrator access to make system-level changes. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. Once Command Prompt opens, you can either type or paste the following command exactly as shown. Take your time and make sure there are no extra spaces or missing characters. The command is reg-add-dhklm software policies Google Chrome/v Incognito Mode Availability /t reg_dw warded/d1. After entering the command, press Enter on your keyboard. If the command is entered correctly, Windows will apply the policy that disables Incognito Mode in Google Chrome. What this is doing is adding a Chrome policy through the Windows Registry, which tells Chrome to hide or block incognito browsing on that device. After that, the next step is to restart your computer. This restart is important because the change may not fully take effect until Windows and Chrome reload the new policy settings. Once your computer boots back up, open Google Chrome and check the menu. You should no longer see Incognito Mode available. If it still appears right away, give it a moment, close Chrome completely, and open it again after the restart. In most cases, the setting will apply once the system restarts and Chrome refreshes its policy. Now, if you ever want to restore Incognito Mode later, you would need to reverse the policy or remove that registry entry. But for this tutorial, the goal is to keep Incognito disabled permanently on this machine. This method is one of the fastest ways to control private browsing on Windows without needing a third-party app. It's clean, direct, and easy to apply as long as you run Command Prompt as an administrator. So just to recap, open CMD as admin, paste the registry command, press Enter, and then restart your PC. That's all it takes to remove Incognito Mode in Chrome permanently. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials, tips, and Windows fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.